Well, I'll let you make the call. You want to set in a blind, or do you want to set out and whatever comes?
I don't care. What does it look like? The rain.
So there we are right now. It doesn't start hard until about 6:20, and then it could get bad, or it could.
It looks like it's kind of breaking up a little bit.
Yeah, just dark green.
I forgot my calls.
30 calls?
Yeah.
I got some. Me and her decided on we're just going to either get wet or we're going to kill one early and get out of there fast because we ain't going blind. I said, alright, that's all I need to hear.
Thank you.
You're about to turn it on?
Yeah.
So put it on the maybe 1, 2, 3. Do 3 or 4.
Did you give her any extra shouts?
She's got one in her pocket. I see him. You can slowly work it out. Straight off the gun barrel. They're right off the gun barrel. You see him? Another one just flew up. They're flying out of the trees. There's a Jake Strutter. Longbeard's walking towards us. They don't want to leave those hens, but they want to come back.
Little update. We had a bunch of birds fly out. There's like 6 or 7 toms. We don't know for sure. At least 7. But they were hammering. They wanted to come, but they're henned up. They're all out there right now in the field. It's raining. We elected to be in our last youth season. We were going to be humbled by the rain, so we chose no blind. We said if we're going to do it, we're going to do it. And now we're regretting it. We got a lone tom out here. The rest are out here. Maybe if they get wet enough, they'll come up to the tree line and check us out and die.
Yeah, they're playing tag right now.
Yeah, they're just out there playing tag. I'm about to go shed hunt.
Literally.
Alright guys, me and Kaylee are back out here. We grinded this morning. We had a bunch of toms off the roost go out to the middle of the field. They acted like they wanted to come, but they had a bunch of hens with them. We battled the rain. We stuck that out because Kaylee's last year as a youth, so we were trying to do it without a blind. And it was fun. It was exciting. Went to the next spot, and we got real close to another tom, actually about 30 yards away. We just didn't have anywhere to swing and shoot him. The hen busted us before we could shoot him. Now we're back out here at the original spot, and we have 4 different toms in the field, a couple hens. And right now we don't have decoys set up because we're kind of waiting to see what they do. We might make a move on them, try to kill them. So we'll bring you guys along for the adventure. Stay with us. Now that those toms don't have a hen with them, I wonder if we get up here and I pop the Strutter decoy and I sound like a hen. If they see that Strutter, maybe they'll come in. Alright, Me and Kaylee are back against the tree that we were on this morning, and the 4 toms are out here with 1 hen right now. They're a long ways out. We opted to kind of see what they do before we try a strutter and call. You ready?
Oh shit.
Yeah. Big old beard. What's wrong? I don't have a freaking battery in this camera. Are you kidding? What? He's coming. I can't see him. Straight towards us. Just don't move. Alright, just hold still. Don't move. Do you see him? I don't either. What? Okay. To the right. Wait. Swing to the right gently. Whoa. Yeah, swing to the right. You see him? Let him come. Let him come. Let him come. Hold on, not yet. Yeah, whenever you can. Hey, nice job,
Hell
kiddo.
yeah.
Nice job, kiddo.
Dead.
Dead. Dead.
Dead bird.
Dead. All it took was that strutter. All it took was that strutter. All it took was that strutter. Last youth season, Indiana,
Got her done.
we worked for it.
Oh yeah. Sad.
Let's go. This might be this might be the first turkey caught with the skyhook capture by Transcend Archery, running the 360 camera. Grab him by the neck. Hey, nice spurs, Kaylee. I think he's got some spurs on. Here you go, right here.
Oh yeah.
Gun on safety. Check that safety. Shut that red dot off.
Yep.
I think it's a nice bird. I can't believe how dry the bird is. I'll take you to my house, get pictures. I can't believe how dry it is.
Good job, girl.
He's got inch spurs. Hey, we worked for that one today.
Did you get a picture of her with it out there?
Just walking. I was gonna take it back and we'll get some pictures.
Dude, I said, those birds are running to
I felt your
them.
phone call coming through to tell me.
I said, they're running to
Did
them.
you
And
see
I
me
looked
put
down
the
and I seen
strutter?
the decoy. I was like,
Dude.
holy shit, they're going to the decoy.